Welcome! In this video, we're going to show you how to hide your online status on Telegram. If you want to keep your activity private and prevent others from seeing when you're online, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by opening the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you can access all of Telegram's settings. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to a screen where you can customize your privacy and notifications. Step 4. Now, tap on Privacy and Security. This section is where you can control who can see your personal information, including your online status. Step 5. Next, tap on Last Seen and Online. Here, you can choose who can see your last seen time and your online status. Step 6. Under the Who Can See My Last Seen section, select Nobody. This will hide your online status from everyone, making your activity more private. Step 7. To finalize your changes, tap on the check icon at the top right of the screen. And that's it. Your online status is now hidden from everyone. You can now use Telegram without others seeing when you're active or online. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to customize your Telegram experience. Thanks for watching.